Let's unbox the MSI Inspire 3X OC version of the RTX 5080 and take a look at its design and features. This is how the graphics card comes from a store when new. It is not shrink wrapped. There are no seals. The box is high quality, feels solid. I think the graphics card is well protected inside of it. Let's take a look at the back of the box. Here are some key features: metal backplate, core pipes, nickel plated copper base plate. Nice. Let's open it up. Oh, it was a little bit rough just then. Some extra padding to protect the graphics card during shipping. Oh, what is this? Postcard. Some accessories. This is a 16-pin power adapter that converts 3 8-pins into 16-pin. And here is a GPU support stand. Let's take a look at it. This is just the standard one that comes with many MSI graphics cards this year. It's made out of plastic, but I think it looks good enough. And the top side is high quality, bottom side also high quality. There's a nice rubber pad over there. Also, there is a pretty strong magnet over there. So you can just, put that in your PC case and it will hold nicely. However, with how small this graphics card is, I don't think that the GPU stand is necessary, but we'll see. There are no more accessories in there. Just some paperwork, quick start guide. Just the usual stuff. The graphics card comes in an anti-static bag. It is sealed with a piece of tape. Here it is. There's protective film all around. Let's peel this off. There's a pull tab over here. There are no pull tabs for the top one, but it's easy to remove. Don't forget to take off the protective film off of the fans. Thankfully, there are pull tabs over here, making it easy to remove this film. Beautiful. The Inspire is one of my favorite lines of GPUs. It just looks so nice. This graphics card looks and feels premium. Just take a look at this. Metal shroud on the front with just a little bit of plastic over here. The black parts are plastic. And continuing with the metal backplate over here. Large cutout for improved airflow. This is a very nice graphics card. Oh, I forgot to take off a piece of tape over here. Let's do that real quick. Yes, And the design is minimalistic. Take a look at that. There are very few logos and they are not screaming, very subtle. In terms of display connectivity, this graphics card supports the latest and greatest versions of DisplayPort, 3 DisplayPort 2.1 and 1 HDMI 2.1 for a maximum of 4 displays. This is a 360 watt graphics card. Power is delivered via this single 16-pin connector. MSI recommends an 850 watt power supply for this graphics card. Let's open the PCIe slot. Beautiful. The Inspire 3X weighs 950 grams and it's pretty compact as far as RTX 5080 graphics cards go. Let's measure this thing. It is 288 millimeters long and 114 millimeters tall. In terms of thickness, this graphics card takes up just about 2.5 slots. Pretty good for an RTX 5080. The heatsink is high quality and very dense. Take a look at this. There are 5 heat pipes in there, piercing through the heatsink to the right side as well as to the left side. So there are plenty of heat pipes dissipating heat away from the GPU. The power delivery system is also actively cooled. There are some thermal pads over there that we can see, and some thermal pads that we can see over here. Memory modules as well as over there. There's more right there. That's the memory. And the power delivery system. Once again, it's cooled actively. Nice. And there is a nice big opening here in the backplate, allowing the air to pass through, increasing the cooling effectiveness. If you'd like to see the full review of this graphics card, including thermal as well as noise testing, then follow my main channel at the link in the description below. But in the meantime, I think this is a very nice looking graphics card. I like it very much. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, then don't forget to reward my work with a like. It helps out a lot. Also, subscribe for more videos like this if you haven't already. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.